Now, how can I build a real telescope with a magnifying glass and 2 tubes? Cut one of the tubes in half lengthwise. Press it together and tape it closed. Now you have 2 tubes that fit together. Tape a big magnifying glass on the outer tube. Now tape a super strong magnifier used by biologists and stamp collectors on the inner tube. Now the telescope is ready. I just need a sturdy stand. Let's see if this works. If it's done well, the 2 magnifying glasses work together. You can adjust the sharpness by sliding the tubes. Yes, I can see the moon really well. You can see it better than you can with the naked eye. But the stars still look like small dots.